Listen to me. If from the doodoo, turn the water, it turn tough. You get me? And now, that, no at all. I mean, you know, so I'm going to talk. I'm tired of this now. I'm tired of this. It's not a matter of love. It's love, yes. Yes, say. She love you. Then if she didn't love me, why this happen? For no at all. If she didn't love me, why this happen? Eh? I'm not afraid for that. I'm not afraid for that. No at all. No at all. No happen. So why this has to be a big thing over social media for nothing at all, and making it look like say Marvin involved in this whole thing here. You understand me? When the whole thing, as I'm going to interview and talk already, me I go talk it again, cause me tired I wanna know. Listen to me. You know, get me? And the last time you got ever talk about this, I say, all if y'all want my fans them, after I'm done talk about this, I'm gonna come for my live. I'm gonna come for my live. Me I go block you now. Me don't want to hear nothing about this. You get me? Please, me I beg you now. Please. You hear me? Please. Alright. I'm on an interview right now. But if I want an interview right now. I want you to tell me if I'm mad, or if I quote me I take. You get me? And it I go end right now. You get me? Few days back, she was in Farry, New York. Me and Renee the Jamaica, peace, eat shit, everything together. Go party, go everything nice, everything man. We call share FaceTime and laugh up like a regular. Like everything, nothing happen, whatever. You get me? And it's an interview. What as fresh as best friend always do. You get me? No. As I'm say, I'm not two-sided, you know. That's one thing with me. You get me? So, there was a video where Marvin post, according to this and that, where Alkaline sing, I'm not custom about it for my life. I'm not in a bad word thing for my life. Where Alkaline say whatever. That's yeah, my sister.
Yes, sister.
Yeah, so people, this is the last time I'm going to say about, yeah, whatever. I'm going to make sure my video post on Instagram. Because I don't have nothing against nobody. But nobody can force me to do what me don't want to do. You get me? You get me? This something I'm plugging in. This something, fix this. Oh, this never did work, that's why. Hold on, the camera, no, I'm a phone there, you know. And listen to me, people. I don't want to feel somebody on my life. I don't want nobody go carry my name, the hypocritical people them. Carry my name and tell and come say what I say on my life. I'm done with all of the madness. I'm not diss nobody on my life. I'm not have nothing against nobody. I'm not have nothing against Sharon. I'm not have nothing against Renee. I just decide to just be myself. That's it. I'm not have nothing. Friends and friends can break up at times. Yeah? Friends and friends can break up at times. People break up at times, and that's it. But when I go like someone, most of the people them, some of them I go like no one tell me what to do. Nobody know how me feel about the whole situation. I know people make me talk. Come on, talk. You get me? Everything and from the day Cheryl and Jamaica, and when all the day when Cheryl come to Jamaica, me and Cheryl not have no at all. Me and Cheryl not have no. We are friend, good friend. Cheryl meet in an accident overseas, and me and Cheryl talk. Me and Cheryl text. But make sure me get up and text Cher and say, Cher, you're alright. We never had a friend them time when she meet in an accident. You get me? Because of the
Ted? Eh?
Eh. So Bumbo pan me backside. And it place not like early still. But where were yourself at? Eh? You soon get through, man. Probably by 3:30, so pray. But at what time now? At what time? Me bumbo. And then not reach number 5 yet? Pray you get through. Oh, Alright.
Claim to say, what them claim to say, him them that talk. You get me? But me and a lie, what me got to lie for at the first, me and me the thinker, them two kind of say two best friends, and me not tell nobody for God do no harm. He must say the words them in the song. So them just nevertheless say it good. They understand until me get find out what is what I'm millions of times me say, friends, whatever, and unu matter, and unu Marvin now just get up and just listen so. But from that, them just now go take it, say, them not some beliefs, yeah, them, alright, me don't know for that right now. Yeah, Renee. From them time there, I can't believe me and sure text every good night. It was my birthday. Me and sure talk, look, remember, hold on to the edge and hold on to know, sure, me and sure talk, live, everything put up more than, sure post more than 6 times. You get me? She posts more than 6 times because she's a loving person like me. But me not talk about that right now. Renee me I talk about me and her a good friend from a long time, and we did it when Sherry a friend and me and her text every single day from Sherry come. Not a text? No. So what me for do? Tell me. I did nothing. She don't text me. Nothing at all. And until me see the screenshot post on social media. Say, Nikisha, I don't normally do this, but you is a liar. You is a liar because you tell we say it was my I must go to him a talk and whatever. But I of course me say that. I'm not afraid to say that. Yeah. Everything get over with and everything. I'm really upset about the whole situation too. You get me? Why when me tell you say it's not when we attack and me explain certain situation to me and make you listen whatever. You just believe that and say, no, we are friends. We are a real friend. We are a real friend and we are come from far. So even if she say I know we attack, I would not make we not be friend. You get me? So we could just lower out that. Make she live her life. We are not our friends, so just make she live her life and we just work with it. If we don't rate it, we are still friends. So we just go live our life. If me not like her man, me just not like her man. But me are vexed with her, me not go block her. That's how friendship work. You get me? That's how friendship work. You get me? Yeah. So
don't forget to dedicate your comment, you know.
People, big up on yourself. As what I say. Sharon and Renee, big up on yourself too. But nobody can force me to do what I don't want to do. You get me, Renee? You do the worst thing and you not even know. Me just have to say from my life, I cannot help myself because I did nothing to you. You were like, not even bench and batty. Like, poop. I not even know, but I not even want to tell them something there. My life. You get me? But me I come out for the situation. You get me? Big up on yourself, said speed. And me don't want nobody continue about this whole situation because I did nothing. And first of all, let me make the world know this. And me star my show. Me run my thing. No woman, no man, no girl, no boy cannot and will never run me. Me can't do that in my life. No time. So some man who fans will come on my page and talk this and talk that. Nobody can run me. My mother and my father right now can call me and say, Nikisha, hey girl, I have to listen right now. If me ever talk loud to my mother, I'm going to get boxed down till I'm weak. And my father. You get me? So, me, girl, no boy, no woman. no man cannot run me. First of all, I can't take ruling. You see, if somebody ever even try talk to me like them a talk ignorant to me, I will drop down. I will faint if I can't answer you about me. Me don't wish people just know the type of person who me is. You get me? I cannot take rulings. Me start my own thing. Me and my own boss. So nobody can tell me what to do. Nobody can tell me what to do. I never did read them comments here. Sorry people, me not see no comment, you get me? Nobody can rule me, so some people know when you just come and attack the beatings. I stand for myself, when you get this straight now, I stand for myself. Me am my own boss, and me I do my own thing, and I don't care. And me I enjoy myself doing it. I don't care. You get me? You get me? Alright. And when me I say no refer to the bad mind fans them. The bad mind fans them. You get me? Some of the bad mind. Yeah, and as I say,
Cause them to me, I could cuss them.
I love everybody same way. I don't hate nobody. But you know certain times you just know what time it is. I don't hate nobody. Nobody me not hate. Ready? Me not hate you same way. I love you same way as a friend. Share. Me not hate you. I love you as a friend because of far where I come from. And nothing no extraordinary in this and way out of the part for me hate you. So me love you same way and a far where I come from. But it's just a little this little thing I go on just make me start think different as a friend. You get me? And everybody have them feelings and everybody know what me I talk about. Cause every whole of people have them friends for years same way. And less than this, that friend go do this and friend go this and them and them friend will never talk back right now. You get me? So people, big up on yourself, enough love and respect. My love on the same way and be things. And as I say, big up on yourself, said speed. Yeah, people. This is a girl dancer, Queen Nikisha, and you don't know, so as I say, I run my thing. I'm my manager. Until I get a manager soon, because I soon get a manager anyway, like soon. And yeah, me I do things solo. I forgot to tell one of that. I'm like doing my thing solo right now. Yeah, so and I'm loving it so far. So people, big up on yourself. When you just stop the mix up, my man. When you done it right as a man, I choose myself and let it be. Let it be. Big up on yourself. Love about the Marvin the Beast. Love you like that. Yes, straight. Big up mommy, big up my father, big up Errol, hey, big up my sister, then big up Samantha, A, big up Natalie, A, big up Tamara, A, big up Tamara Brown, big up Nicole Brown. Yes, said speak. Natalie, A, big up yourself. You get me, big up the whole Russell family, Andrea, Karen, Jolie, Karen, me not left out nobody, you know. Remember, me not left out nobody. Ruan, who else? Fabian, Akim, Kitana, what the family too big. We don't worry about the family. I can't left out nobody. You get me? So big up everybody and big up to the people them from live, the fake people them enough love and respect. All me do, me a real girl. All of the fake people them from live, big up on yourself, enough love and respect same way.